Hey guys, here playing with the Prado today. So I'm going to show you how these seats, they fold down and then it tumbles forward. And there's actually a little latch right here. I can do that with one hand. And you have all this cargo space. And remember, I do have the original shelf that goes across the back here. I did take that out to clean it. This actually gives you a lot more room inside to haul your toys around in. The other thing I was playing around with today is the jack storage area. So this cover pops off and the jack is in there. Guys, I don't think this thing has ever been used. I opened it up a minute ago and it was still wrapped up like it would have came from the factory. So this just unscrews here a little bit. And when you screw it and tighten it in, it tightens up to there. Why can't all the new ones be this easy? It's right out. I don't even think that was on the ground or under the car at all for any reason whatsoever. Just another testament how remarkable this one is still. It's all here. It's a little dirty, but it's all here. Look at these tools in here. From the fact, I don't think this was ever on a lug nut. None of these were even put together. There's no scratches on them, nothing. Still from the factory. Just thought that was kind of awesome. So we're gonna wrap this all back up, make it tidy again, put it back in there, and hopefully we never need it again.